Storm coming in.
It's getting quiet.
That ain't good.
You know what it's like to be in a tornado. Little situation.
It usually gets quiet right before a tornado. Well, hopefully not. Yeah.
Huh.
What do you think it is? About 10 miles away?
Yeah. Sounds about right. Almost to the Clark County borderline. On the west side of Clark County.
Yeah.
That's pretty close.
Got some tomato plants in. Cucumbers. These dudes are little still. Hopefully they'll. I show you the corn.
I think you did.
Started coming up. Gotta get out here and weed. Get all the weeds out of here. Just the little dudes. But they're coming in. This is the 2 rows I planted the other day.
How long do you think it'll be until they start growing?
Oh, they'll be growing here in a few days, coming out. Well, when was that? I planted those last week. Yeah, so they'll be coming in soon. Then I'll do a couple more rows. I'll till up that area right there.
I'm gonna go check up
The strawberry hanger. Where is that?
Ain't that it right there?
Yeah. Wonder if anything's coming up on that.
Probably. Look at this one.
Right there.
There's a few of them. Actually, there's another one right there.
All right. We'll produce something.
A little bit.
That one's dead. This dude survived. That one's flowering too. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, it's coming in now. Potatoes growing like crazy. Gotta fill more dirt. I just filled more dirt yesterday. I guess we'll see what happens. We're partying. We're getting ready to get 80 and 90 mile an hour winds. Southern Clark County. They're expecting 80 and 90 mile an hour winds coming in this way. This could get interesting. Oh yeah. Yeah. There's the front. Oh boy.
Hey, you see the clouds? Look at that. See the clouds?
Yeah. I'm seeing it.
Ooh.
We're about ready to get hit. Man, those clouds are low.
Makes me wonder a little bit. Yeah, look. look at these over
Oh,
there.
Jesus.
Ooh.
Oh, man.
Ooh.
Yeah, those are low,
Count, come
man.
here. Look at this.
Look at that.
Look how low these are.
Oh, my God. Look at that. Right over there.
Oh, my God.
Yeah, this ain't nothing nice.
No, I know that for sure. Hey, is that rotating?
Hope it ain't rotating. Look, that cloud looks like it's dropping. Ha!
Right there.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Those are
Man, that ain't nothing nice.
Man, that would suck if it dropped right there. Oh my God. Look at this one. My God.
Oh, yeah.
I'm surprised nothing's dropped yet.
I hope it don't.
I'm worried about that one right there.
Yeah. Right out that way. It's like it's...
Oh, God. Wow, that's really low.
Winds are getting ready to start kicking in here any second, man. It's pretty rough.
Yeah, that's the roughest this year so far. Look at that.
Couldn't see last night. Boy, them some ugly dudes. Man, oh man. Sky's getting kind of green looking.
I know. Look at this.
Look
Man,
at that.
I don't know about these clouds. I'm kind of worried about them a little bit.
I don't know.
Yeah, it's turning green.
Of course, we're standing out in the middle of the yard. Flat land.
That's low.
Yeah, intelligent.
Nothing's happening. Those clouds right there are worrying me right there.
That's the head of the front. Well, I think it's about time we start rolling in. Because this is, man.
Those are really low.
Yeah, they are. Look at this over here.
Oh, God. Oh, my God. Yeah, this is not pretty weather at all.
Look at that.
Oh, God. That could drop any second right there.
Wow.
Hey, come here, look at this.
It's,
Also try. Look at these clouds right here.
man, these dudes are moving.
Look at this.
Oh no. Here comes the wind.
Oh, yeah.
Here it comes. They're talking 80 and 90 mile an hour winds.
Woo!
Not yet.
They got tornado warnings out here now here.
Tornado warning?
Yeah.
I don't see anything.
Oh man. I'm hoping.
It looks a little low.
What? 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 Tornado in Yellow Springs? Oh, shoot. Hey, Steve. They said something about a tornado warning in Yellow Springs.
Yeah.
About 5 minutes ago, so it's good to see that we really haven't deviated from that initial track that he showed us, heading up through Northridge, coming up here shortly in the next couple of minutes, and eventually into southeastern Champaign County as well.
I think it's worth even going back to the Springfield cam at this point, just because we're focusing on the area. You get a live look at what's happening. And if you watch that camera, I mean, you can see that rain coming through in sheets sideways in a, just about 30 seconds ago. The cloud-to-ground lightning strikes there have been very intense. I mean, we're right in the core of the storm there, the Wittenberg University campus, as we're seeing very strong winds come through. I mean, the power's still on there, but I got to tell you, what James was mentioning earlier, if you're just joining us, we had reported some damage out of Beaver Creek near the mall. And this is the cell responsible for that is coming through the Springfield area as we watch live from our Wittenberg University weather. Look at that right there. Did you see that? That was
very impressive.
wow. And that's exactly what I saw about a minute ago. And very dangerous storm.
Well, we got our closet cleaned out.
We talk about the lightning that's centered with these storms, indication of the fact
No,
that
I didn't turn it off.
Very active or at their peak.
Why is it off?
Quick, let's go ahead. Let's go south.
Oh,
again,
no,
15 to
don't
20
tell me.
miles. Let's keep this picture up if we could, Kim, to again show the intensity there. But we have Gabrielle Enright live.
Yeah, turn it off.
In Greene County. Gabrielle, what you're seeing currently, please.
That's
I
us.
can tell you, James, I was in Beaver Creek when that line hit, and it doesn't surprise me at all that there was damage. It was very quick. The wind, very, very aggressive. Lots of lightning. Now, I'm actually headed back to Xenia now, and as we're heading east, we're getting more rain. We see a lot of lightning to the east and definitely to the north, where that tornado warning is in effect up in the Clark County, Champaign County area.
Okay, Gabrielle, we appreciate your time. Looking at the live Doppler 7 right now, Gabrielle, looks as though the most severe part of that line of storms is actually going to be pushing or is now pushing just to the east of Xenia as Jamie pops up live
That's
Doppler
us.
7 radar right there, Jamie.
Yeah, I'm actually looking at some very interesting photos. We're getting an eyewitness 7 here, and Erica's gonna go through these, and we may have
Rotation is
gotten,
right over us. Look.
What maybe a wall cloud in
We're
the
down
Fairmont
low.
area.
Right.
That we've gotten some photos
gonna go
of.
up.
I'm just getting my first glimpses of these. So we're gonna
Here's the
take a look at
rotation.
these, but yeah,
It's like we're going to lose our
it's
power.
starting to,
Brandon, grab this,
things are
put it on
coming
the bed.
together. We're
There's
starting to
someone
get
in a
different
tripping
pieces of
over it.
information that's telling us that yes, we have this concentration of winds that may have had some rotation in the Beaver Creek area. There have been no reports with that particular cell of any funnel clouds or tornadoes on the ground as of yet. But Erica, you were noticing some very strong wind gusts.
Why they issue a tornado warning?
We've been seeing wind gusts
Wait, is that
about
more
50 to
rotation
70
over
miles
there?
an hour,
Where?
including the
Right
Pickle
there.
area, reporting a
There's
gust
circles.
of 70 miles an hour
Circles
not
are,
too long ago, so
hail,
I wouldn't be
I think.
surprised if we saw any wind damage
Hail?
there.
Yeah.
Also, just 5 miles south of Coldwater, about 5 power poles were reported down just south of St. Henry.